Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video.
Question number 5. How is the price plotted on a chart? Prices are plotted as line, bars, candles, etc.
Quote number 55. Robert G. Allen said, "How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case." This is a great point illustrating that a saving account will never make you rich. Trading is a much more effective way to create wealth. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.